In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a E8 Futures account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to e8markets.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to just scroll down until you see choose your E8 challenge right here. And here you can choose either Forex, Futures, or a Crypto challenge. For this tutorial, I'll just show you how to use the Futures. And then from here, you'll be able to add the profit target and see an overview of what the Futures challenge is about. From here, you'll simply need to go down to E8 signature, where you can choose between a 50k, 100k, or 150 account. And from here, you'll simply need to click Start My Trading Challenge Now. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this, where you'll need to scroll down until you can read a little more about the specific challenge. And from here, you can choose the trading platform, which will automatically be Tradeovate. Down here, you'll also be able to choose the payment method, either with crypto or with a credit card. You can also down here build your account by entering your email address, password, first name, last name, address, city, zip code, and country. And of course your phone number, which is required. Once you've done that, you will need to scroll a little bit more down and click I have either a discount code, and then you can add in your discount code and validate it, or you can click I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. From here, you will simply need to click here to enroll, and then click on a link on the specific email that E8 will send you, and then from there, you'll have access to your dashboard. Once you've done that, you can see your login credentials to Tradeovate, and then start your trading experience. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you!